In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Ollama to N8n. This guide will walk you through the steps you need to take to successfully link these two powerful tools, a task that can simply enhance your workflow automation. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with N8n, this tutorial is here to ensure you get connected smoothly and efficiently. First, let's begin by heading over to the N8n platform. If this is your first encounter with N8n, it's an AI workflow automation platform that allows you to automate processes for various applications. Open your preferred browser and navigate to the N8n platform. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. Signing up is straightforward, and you only need a few minutes. However, if you already have an account, simply proceed to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the N8n dashboard. This hub is where all the magic happens. It's where you can manage your workflows and integrate various tools that make automation seamless. Now, look for the option to create a workflow. This is typically found on the main dashboard page, and it's clearly marked to make it easy for you to start a new workflow process. With the workflow creation page open, focus on the task of adding nodes. In N8n, nodes are essentially the building blocks of your workflows. They help connect different processes and applications. Click on the option to add nodes. This action will bring up a search bar, providing you with the ability to find the exact service you want to integrate. Now, let's focus on Ollama. Use the search function to locate Ollama. The search will help narrow down the node options available and ensure you're integrating the proper service into your workflow. Once you've found Ollama in the search results, click on it to add it to your workflow. This step is crucial as it is the integration point between N8n and Ollama, enabling smooth automation and data flow between the two platforms. By this time, you should have Ollama effectively integrated into your N8n workflow. This integration allows you to automate processes that were previously time-consuming, giving you more time to focus on strategic tasks. Remember, while setting up these workflows, ensure each step is correctly configured to avoid any interruptions in your automation processes. And that's it for today's tutorial on connecting Ollama to N8n. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll find that the integration process is not only simple, but also opens up a world of possibilities for what your workflows can accomplish. Happy automating, and thank you for joining me today.